takes through your playing career for football and pay attention on things you're going to do after?
It's very, very important. When you're a footballer, one thing is in your mind is to win trophies, to play with one of the biggest clubs in the world, and keep yourself fit, focused, disciplined, and make sure you do well, and people will definitely know who you are. But after football, it's another different life. People will definitely know who you are because of what you have done. But when you're not playing football anymore, you can sleep at any time, wake up at any time, eat whatever you want. But it's always a difficult life because you're not that fit anymore. So you have to be disciplined.
Fear nobody and believe. This is the sentence you tweeted on social media. What do you mean with fear nobody and what does it mean word believe?
Yes, because the Nigerian team have lost the belief. They have not really appreciate who they are. So I'm trying to use the word believe to bring them back, to tell them that we are Nigerians and we are one of the best in the world and we have to believe in that and work hard towards it. So and that's why I said that what I said, fear nobody. Because Nigerians, we don't fear anybody. We respect people, but we don't fear. And then we do our part.
We can see Kanu Foundation. Can you tell us a little bit more about this project?
Yeah, the foundation was established 2000, to help the less privileged kids in Africa. And I did that because I had a problem with my heart, and finally I was off for 1 year. I didn't play football. Came back and I started playing football and started winning trophies, and I played for Arsenal. Then I decided to help out. And for now, the foundation have done 542 operations, which means we have saved 542 lives. And we have almost like 50 on the waiting list. And the more we don't help them, the more some of them might die. But our aim is to build hospitals in Africa. But it's a very big goal. We have to raise the funds before we can do that. So, but I'm proud that this is what I'm doing after football. I'm helping others, and it means a lot to me.
Obviously, you are a very active ex-football player. If we have true information, and I believe that you are in some kind of relationship with the Kinda group. You are ambassador also of the football group Drava the Kinda.
That's true. My friend, he's the co-owner of the NK Drava, the Kinda, and I've been the ambassador, and that's why I came over, at least to see the club for once where they play football and support them, and also talk to the team and encourage them. And I believe the team is doing well. The more they do well, the more they get promotion, and that's what we are driving at.
I heard that one of your plans is to bring some young players from good part of Africa to Europe and to Slovenia to play football.
Not only that, the club needs good players. Good players in Slovenia, good players outside Slovenia. It's very important because football is one language. And whoever knows who is good and have the skills or the talent, and if he feels like he can play in Slovenia, why not? We give him the chance to come and play.
One of the last questions. From now on, there is no Pirlo, no Kaka, no Totti in the football pitch. So what is your message to them?
Legends are born, they come and go, but they still remain in people's mind. And the future ones, the younger ones who are coming up, have to look at them and know what they have done and try to do even better than what they have done. So, unfortunately, you can't play football forever. There must be a time that we call it an end and say, it's enough now, I have to rest. I'm getting older, or I'm not doing the same thing I used to do. But when you stopped, you have to look back and see if you did well or not. So the message to the young ones is that you have to do better than us. You have to work harder. You have to be disciplined. You have to be focused. And you have to sacrifice, because whatever you give is what you get.
May I ask you Are you still an Arsenal fan?
Yes.
I mean, they played 2 games with Red Star, with Crvena Zvezda from Poglejte in a few weeks ago. Did you watch some of the games?
Yeah, I watched one.
What do you think about Red Star?
They have a good team, but I know Arsenal have already qualified. And, I'm a good fan of Arsenal. I support them. I'm one of the fans, and I wish they will win the league, because that's what every Arsenal fans wants now. But the game on Saturday against Tottenham is a very important game, and I believe we can do it in Emirates, and I wish them all the best.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you.